Ritu Bharosa scheme is implemented as farm support with rupees 13,500 per year to landowning farmer families. Nimmapadu village of Chintapalli Mandal is located remote without digital connectivity. Initially, 38 out of 38 landowning tribal families were excluded from scheme with the reason wrong Aadhaar. Owing to the 100% rejection rate, PMU, Tribal Welfare Department intensively diagnosed the problem by obtaining the land record data from Mandal Revenue Office. PMU identified in the field that the Aadhaars of persons other than the owners were wrongly integrated to the land in the digital database of revenue records, and identified that some of the farmers were died. PMU intensively trained the village revenue officer and agricultural assistant who were otherwise unaware of the technical processes to be followed. PMU closely supervised to initiate Aadhaar corrections and to make legal heirs receive payment as nominees for the died landowners. The efforts led to the inclusion of all the excluded 38 landowning families in Nimmapadu into the scheme fold during subsequent install. Around 95,000 farmers owning revenue land, which is 35%, were excluded from Ritu Bharosa in tribal areas during the initial year of implementation. The PMU, Tribal Welfare, and the program partners Liptech India and Nature effectively worked on data corrections, purification of digital land database, rectification of payment failures at banks through Aadhaar mapping to NPCI, which were the major reasons for exclusion of farmers. Active coordination was done at state level with the agriculture and land revenue departments. The strategies were issued through government circulars to the project officers of integrated tribal development agencies. Those were implemented intensively at ground level. The combined efforts of PMU, Liptech India and Nature have resulted in the overall inclusion of around 67,000 farmers including PM Kisan and forest land components. This has realized an estimated financial benefit of 118 crore rupees. The efforts will be continued to include all excluded farmers.